Hey guys, today I'm checking out these glove wall sconces that I did for event purposes. So let me take it out of the box and let's see what comes included. Okay, first thing we see is the usual manual with all the hardware that we are gonna need to do this installation, which I think it's really nice that comes included. And as you can see, it has a really interesting design that I think that can be perfect to place it wherever you need it. Let me take it out of the box. Okay, okay, as you can see, it comes really well protected, even with more bags and more care for it, which I think that it's really nice. And as you can see, we have in here the really beautiful glove wall sconce. Okay, as you can see, it has a double glove, which I think that's gonna be really nice. And it seems like a really simple installation process. You just need to wear it, install the lab, and that's it. Okay, which I think that it's really nice. So let me go ahead and start doing the installation process, and let's see how it looks. Well, let's start with what makes this dual shade glove so practical: its installation. This fixture is designed for a smooth, stress-free setup, and it comes with all the hardware that you're gonna need and a clear step-by-step guide so you can enjoy your new light in no time. And for peace of mind, it's ETL listed, which means it meets strict quality standards. At heart of this sconce is a 7-watt integrated LED source. That means that you don't need to buy extra light bulbs. It's energy efficient, long-lasting, and it's designed to provide a warm, reliable illumination. You can pair it with a compatible dimmer switch, and you can smoothly adjust the brightness from a soft evening glow to a full brightness, anywhere between 10 and 100%. But what truly makes this light stand out is the dual glove design. Another glove of handcrafted glass combines with an inner glove of diamond pattern. Together, they create a layered effect that softens and diffuses the light beautifully. The result is a smooth, glare-free illumination that feels both cozy and uniform. Overall, it's quite elegant, and this fixture isn't just limited to just one use. You can mount it as a wall sconce to accent your bathroom or hallway, or you can even install it as a flush mount ceiling light in a bedroom, entryway, or kitchen. Its versatile design makes it easy to place it wherever you want soft and stylish lighting. And of course, the design is just impressive. With its sleek gold metal finish and compact form, these sconces deliver a mid-century modern look that can feel both minimal and luxurious. It's the kind of piece that works beautiful alone or as a part of a pair, adding a refined glow to any style to decor. Okay guys, and as you can see, the installation was really easy, and I absolutely love how it looks. It has a really modern and elegant design that I think that can be perfect to place it wherever you need it. In this case, I placed it in here above my entrance door, but you can place it at the side of a painting if you want to accent a hallway, also along the wall. However you want to install them, I think that they look amazing. I love the warm white temperature that it has of the light, and as I've said, it's LED, so you don't have any kind of worries about changing the light bulb or anything like that. It's quite easy, and I think that it looks perfect. Overall, I think that it's really nice. As I've said, it was a really easy installation. It comes with everything that you need to install it, and overall, it looks amazing. I actually really love it, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.